Hello folks, here are some highlights of the pantomime Old Time Sinting Come Back Again that was recently held in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where yours truly, Yardie TV, played a role.
Jamaican style, but Jamaican story and song. I'm dancing in a pantomime. Yes, man. And yes, when she couldn't find a song to fit the story, she write one.
Yes, and we used to play ring game every moonshine night.
Actually, I'm talking about those were the good old days in music. You don't know if you remember my older brother, the one definitely.
Yeah, man.
Me dear, he used to say, if don't play picnic game of foolish nuts. Double time that the boy ever play a game of when he was one of the little friend.
Hey, my bigger brother used to play too, no? But guess what? The boy start get big and him vice start posting things say a big man.
Oh, man,
He's not even a play no more. The boy is still a PP bed.
Hello. Every O of them pick up. And what is for you can be on for you. Learn that.
True talk, true talk.
Pick them from nowadays, you know. I don't use no eyes with one another. Them grow up so fast. Hey, you hear these fancy used to like off music. And she was gonna marry to him one day.
Me not even know where you bring up your name to me from. That big girl has wild up her chances with her.
But the people nowadays, them not easy, you know. Them find all kind of weird to name them picnics. Imagine, this woman up at the hospital said, see the big sign, said, no smoking. Guess what she named the picnic? What she named the picnic? Nas Maki.
Hey, what is
Jamaica, that's so I know some have trouble. Everybody and then granny have to do something to care. No, me only hope them not see this bag as unattended and think of doing it.
God have mercy. When we did lay over somewhere else, you know, we don't even know which part to go. So you know, just crowding door. One people just sit them and look so. I think I know this child behind. Punse! Punse! Punse!
Who told you?
Punse, it's me, Alfonso.
I don't know that Punsi person. You're mistaken. It's not me.
Oh no. Punse Rita. Punse. It's you.
Is the enemy there?
Jesus. Punse, come on now, stop the plane. Not because we woke up in the airport. Punse, I remember you. It was your father who was drunk and flings the bottle and lick in the forehead. It's you, Punse. Punse Rita. It's you, same one.
Why you loading me up so much? You know, sister, I'm under this guy. You know, nobody knows me a trouble in a condition, yeah? What's wrong with you?
The Lord have mercy. We don't want to luggage them in a love. Probably you don't want nobody to see you. Eh? I saw no one when I take cheap flight.
It said $9.99 and I thought that was a good deal. Now I've got all these bags and it's going to be an issue because it's no longer £50. Did you know it's more?
Then hold on. Punse Rita.
The cost is more!
Punse. So where you go with them woolly bag there? Eh? You're not going to come back?
Actually, I have some plans when I get home.
Oh.
I have some investments. I have things to do while I'm there.
Well, I open up Kingston, you're going to because Kingston a fault line, so my earthquake will take you. Next thing you know, you dive on that table like clip views.
I've got plans.
Oh.
And my investments will take me across the island.
Investments?
Yes.
So you're not Jamaica for investments?
Oh, absolutely.
Lady, just be careful how you put your money in that bank there down there, you know. Next year, you know, it bolts out time. They call it white collar crime, you can't just stay there. All of these investments.
Just a killjoy. There are many options. I could actually go and be an influencer. Like that lady from Kenya, Mwanga.
When you say about mango, all different type of mango are turn influencer now. Yeah? You say Mwanga from Kenya, all truly mango in Egypt. All of them are money off the internet.
Regardless, there are many options as I'm telling you when I get there.
Oh.
I could even possibly go into parliament. I could be a politician.
You could be a politician.
Yes, you don't need any qualifications.
Well, that's true, yeah. Hold on. You need qualification to become council general. And remember me tell you, say, when them down there, for them pay, it'll go out 300%. So you must make a money from the opposition to the member of parliament. Everybody eat a food.
There you go.
I
I want to say food. You know I love to cook. I'm probably thinking of doing a little crab shack.
Lord Jesus, lady expressing any crab shack where you have to come with bathroom and no go cook. Next thing you know, they start calling you Alice.
You're purely scandalous.
Well, I'm just telling you about what I want to me. No. Keep me here, hold on there. They say the hot, you see, when you did left the little coolish, but now it's again from me, that's sweat. When you did say, you really are glad Jamaica, pa?
Well, actually, besides all that, I'm heading to the wedding of the year.
Hold on. You're 1 week or 1 month away. Can we skip in a married already? How is wedding of the hair?
Not that wedding.
Oh.
The wedding of the year. Nicey, Unono's daughter, is getting married. Me say she's sweet like mango and she's scratch. Listen to me. The wedding is happening and I could not miss it.
Lord help me.
When the young lady opened her mouth and sing, you know, they said, Nightingale! And Miss Luda sit up and proud of how she sing the evening.
That's so good.
Beautiful little daughter.
Yes.
So I'm very happy and delighted to be going to that wedding.
And in
So,
mercy and your forever.
so Peter, what is your cause?
Well, me I'm going wedding too, you know. Yeah, I was invited to go and went to give the speech to the groom, you know. Because he said I know his father from a long time, you know. Because when I was on it, by the way, me I tell you, say, me I go, me now come back. Me I stay at Jamaica because let me tell you what happened. You see, I was on the farm work. And the minister of labor come up there and was talking to us because he said he hears that people are abusing the farm workers there. And me jump up and say, it's true. They are abusing we. Next thing we know, they ship me out and tell me something.
So you're not going back in?
Me not going back.
Oh, no.
But I'm giving the toast to music.
Ah, that's the same wedding!
Hold on, and the same wedding I go?
Yes!
Lord Jesus, have mercy.
He's getting married to music!
I cannot believe it. You know, say a good boy, me know father for a long time, and that's a good pastor. But I am trying to find the blue plane, so me have to leave right now. But you remember about here, Jamaica, it was so nice back in the day.
Don't get me started. I have to be flying on the ghost. But listen.
Hold on. I did not be playing your part. Let me just tell you right now, me not going to finish short back play to go on no play.
I just can't be bothered with all the drama, but I do remember Air Jamaica. Oh
Yes.
my goodness. Back in the day when I step off long on the tarmac, I feel like I'm coming off with pride.
Yes.
Mr. Fulford and they feed me.
Yes.
No, this, what me ever take? Come on, bed up in a S full of gas.
Dry food. You can get chips and potato chips and peanuts. But go and go enjoy yourself. You never try find which part of the park for lunch there. So take care. Don't talk to you. Hold on, lady, where you just said a while ago. Eh? Do you knows me? Try to go over your back and you go over my side.
Alfonso, come on!
Hold on, man. Alright, give me that one. Give me that one.
Come on, come on.
I'm nine. and all the things look like that you have one time. If you have a something happening for the food. Yes, Father. But most of our Father. Yes. I want a special blessing, Father.
Yes.
A special miracle, Father.
Yes.
Not just any kind of miracle, Father. Yes, Father. I want the miracle of the fish. I want the miracle of the Lord, Father. And Father God, with all them hungry belly people here. Father God, yes. Only you alone can make it rich. Amen.
Oh, and the love, okay. Okay. Yeah, more.
Ladies and gentlemen, and all of you that are here, to the brides and the groom, the Lord bless you.
Love him,
When I think about this occasion, it only leaves me to weep a bitter thought and think that I are dead. Not because I are sorrowful, but because I'm overwhelmed with extreme happiness. Because I am here to witness my friend who passed and gone, humble son, getting married. The way how the news take me sudden, me run out of the house and left all my boat. On the flight. But I had to be here. Now, news of my comely disposition are greatly exaggerated. And ugly, no ugly. But I am here just to make sure that I show my face and let you see that you have support.
Yes.
When a man decides to put away sketchy behavior and take up a goodly woman, he ought to be supported. And I am here to support him. I have something to tell you.
Yes.
Woman that you have taken to be your
I
bride.
repeat.
Let me tell you something. Love her so much that if she ever decides to leave you, you go with her. And give her two.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that's it, guys. Just a little bit of what this whole entire pantomime was about. I am so happy that I got the opportunity to be on stage and to do, what I do in this dramatic way. And guys, I promise you, the next time it's being run, I definitely want to be a part of the lineup as well. I do hope that you enjoy it, and of course, if you do, please drop it in the comments just down below. And of course, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about Yardie TV and what we're doing around here. Big up on us.